Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a new model that has been launched, which is by Alibaba Wan 3.0. I have been testing this model for cinematic shots, text to video shots, and also UGC ads. I got some really interesting results. I'm going to show you that. Right now, with the initial testings of the first phase, I found that UGC ads works really well, better than Seedance 2, and compared to Seedance 2.5, it's really good. So let me just start with what we have created. So let's just watch this out.
You should have stayed away.
And let you face this alone.
Then stand with me.
So you can see this is looking really good. In compared to text to video model, you can see the effects are looking really good. The dialogue, the lip sync is also good, and I really like that cinematic look and feel that I have got. Now let me show you the another option, which is basically our cinematic scene. So let me just play it for you guys. So let's just open this out. So this was basically image to video, and I use this image as a reference here. You can see this image here, and I use this as a reference in order to create this video. Again, don't worry about the prompting. In my previous videos also, I have said that prompt is really easy to do with the help of LLM models. You just need to describe what you want. Now, the thing that I found really good is basically image to video for UGC ads. Let me first show you the Seedance model, and then I will show you the Wan, so you can decide which looks good. So let me just scroll downwards. So this is the Seedance 2.5 model. Here you can see Seedance 2.5. So let me just play it for you guys.
I've been using the Pixel 11 and I'm obsessed. The color is gorgeous and the camera is seriously so good. Even indoors, my photos come out bright and really sharp. If you're upgrading, definitely check this one out.
So this was with Seedance 2.5. You can see the dialogues, the phone rotation is really perfect. So I copied the same dialogue which was given into Seedance 2, the same prompt, and I ran it with Wan 2.5. So Wan 3. So the thing that I like about this is here you can see, if you give you this image, you can see that Seedance 2.5 model changed the image here, so it flipped the image. But here you can see it has kept the same image here. So let's just play this.
I've been using the Pixel 11 and I'm obsessed. The color is gorgeous and the camera is seriously so good. Even indoors, my photos come out bright and really sharp. If you're upgrading, definitely check this one out.
Now the only mistake that I found in this video, that when the phone gets rotate here, we can see double cameras here, which is totally wrong, but we can easily fix it by rendering it again and actually telling when the phone gets rotated, check this image. So we can do the tags as well, because Wan 3.0 supports up to 20 references, so that's a really good thing. And now let's just create this and learn how you can actually do this with your own images. So you need to have the images with you guys. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. And I have also created videos on how you can create realistic images, how you can create cinematic images. And I have also created a AI Mastery 30-day series, of which the third day is going to be coming out soon after this video. Okay, so let's just go here. I already have a image here, but let me just show you how you can create prompts here. So let's just go upwards, just copy this. So you can just pause the video and screenshot this and copy the text. So I am just telling ChatGPT to do the deep research on how Wan 3.0 Alibaba models work. Okay, Alibaba. Okay, and I want you to analyze it, and I will then share you the image and you will provide me the prompt. Just make sure that you have this think option on. Again, you can do this in LLM model, you can do it in Claude as well, you can do it in Gemini as well. It's up to you guys. So let's just run this out here. and you can see it will search on the web for the websites here, and here you can see it has searched two websites. One of them is official Alibaba website as well. Till then this is getting done. You can see this is what we have got. I have also downloaded a image that I created with chat GPT. So you can see this is the image that I am going to basically animate, and you can see the product is also here. So I just want to show you guys how you can do it. So you can have your own cinematic images as well, or any image that you want to animate with Wan 3.0. So you can see this has done the research here for us. And now it's asking that send me the image and tell me what you want to do. So let's just open this image here. And you can see we need to describe what we want to showcase. So I will tell here, analyze this image, and I want to create a 15 seconds UGC ad shot on iPhone. So you will decide the dialogue as well by analyzing the product. Just make sure that dialogues are as per our duration. Okay, and let's just press enter. Again, spelling mistakes can be done. Okay, it doesn't matter because LLM are way too advanced now that it ignores your spelling mistake and recorrect it for you guys. So let's just wait for this. Till then this is getting done. We are going to go to Magnific here. I also have a Higgsfield plan, but in Higgsfield right now Wan 3.0 is not yet out at the time of this recording. Magnific is having that, so I'm going to show you the workflow of Magnific, but again you can do it in any AI platform that you have Wan 3.0. So I'm going to go to video here, going to go to video generation. Let's just delete this prompt here, and I'm going to add a media here. Let's just upload the media that we have. So again, I'm going to double click it here. Let's just click on add, and this is going to add our image with the tag @image1, which is a good thing. Now we are back into chat GPT. It has already analyzed the reference image, and you can see she looks into an iPhone camera, gives a small natural smile, slightly raise the tube. She keeps the product beside her cheek, briefly rotates it towards the camera so the labels remains readable. Okay, you can see again we need to have the skincare product as well, so you can read the label. The label is going to get blur because I'm going to do into 720p, but if you are doing into 1080p, also upload the image reference as well. So just make sure that you have that skincare product of front and back and just upload it there. So let's just copy this here, and let's just go here. We are going to paste it here, and you can see here it is written use the provided reference image. Okay, so let's just tag it here @image1, and you can see as the exact visual, and here is our dialogue. Now you can see, okay, this has been my go-to lately, and then there is 4 to 9 seconds the screen. Okay, I think the dialogue is way too big, so I'm going to type here, I think dialogues are way too big compared to the seconds. I don't want to rush the dialogues. Also make sure we have expressions of her as well. Okay, and I'm going to again paste it here because if you see here, the dialogues are really big compared to 15 seconds. You can see around 32 words, which is safe. It's telling that, but you can see I would keep the spoken dialogue to roughly 18 to 20 words. That is a really good thing here. So again, we are going to copy this here. Let's just go to Magnific. Let's just paste it out, and I am going to tag that @image here. So exact reference image @image1. Just make sure that you tag your image, and let's just delete this out, and this is done. Again, I am just scrolling it downwards and seeing that all the dialogues are really good. I have been loving this lately. Then shot 2 is here. It really feels light. Shot 3, my skin feels fresh and glowy. Yes, this is looking nice actually. And we can definitely do this here. Let's just make sure here there are two options, Prime. So Prime is basically the same model with faster generation time, but I'm going to keep it off. I am here you can see we have up to 1080, but I am right now using 720 because I want to save my credits. And let's just change the resolution or the aspect ratio that you tell to 9:16. We want sound here, and you can see here it gives up to 30 seconds, but for the testing purpose we are going to do 15 seconds here. And let's just click on generate, but you can see it's around 8 minutes wait time here right now because lots of people are using this and the servers are really busy. The video is now done, and let me just play it for you guys. But before playing, let me tell you that it has done a mistake. So we told her to speak three dialogues, and between first and second, before the third dialogue, you will see that she is speaking what we don't know. So let me just play it for you guys. So we need to have one more version as well. We need to tighten it down and tell again ChatGPT that this mistake has been done. But let me just play it for you guys. The expressions are really good.
I've been loving this lately, and I feel son you're battling. We're verbiciles, slay by one, lit this legs home scene. It feels really light. My skin feels fresh and glowy.
So you can see this is looking really good. The expressions, it has the iPhone handheld feeling as well. But if you want to have a perfect dialogue and lip sync, you need to make sure that you just render it 2 to 3 times so you get that perfect thing. Again, we need to tell here. So let's just learn how you can actually rectify this. So you need to tell here, I rendered the video, but she speaks and adds more dialogue between the shots which are not there. And we just going to press enter here. So what ChatGPT is going to do, it is going to make sure that it searches again and give us one more prompt here. So you can see this is when behavior we need to explicitly control, and your render result tells us exactly what went wrong. So you can see do not add phrases here, do not generate extra dialogue. So now if I am using this prompt here, it is going to make sure that it renders perfectly. Again, I would recommend that use the Seedance prompt generator. Why? Because if I scroll down here, this was really perfect, and within the first time itself, and the prompt that I generated was from Seedance 2.5 model. So I just went to ChatGPT again, the same method I did, that do research how Seedance 2.5 model works, and then I pasted this image and it gave me the prompt. I told what I wanted to showcase, and in the same way you can do for Wan as well. Just copy that prompt, paste it here, but instead of Seedance 2.5, select Wan 3.0 model, and it is going to work perfectly fine. So again, if you want to use Seedance 2.5 prompt method, you can do that as well. And if you want to exclusively use Wan 3.0 method, you can do that as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have actually learned how Wan 3.0 works and where it excels and where it don't. This is just the first phase. I'm going to test it more and going to share it on my Instagram. So if you're not following on my Instagram, the link will be in the description. Do follow me on Instagram there. I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye guys. Take care. And yeah, before going, please subscribe to this channel and give it a like, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn in the AI Mastery series. I will see you in the day 3 in the next video. Bye bye guys. Take care.